we'll guide you through how to increase wireframe thickness in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your desktop and wait for the project to load completely. Before continuing, make sure you already have an object in your project. For this example, use the default cube that appears when a new Blender scene is created. Click on the cube to select it so that Blender knows which object you want to edit. After the cube is selected, press the Tab key to switch from Object Mode to Edit Mode. In Edit Mode, right-click on the cube to open the context menu and choose the Subdivide option. This will divide the cube's geometry into smaller sections. After using Subdivide, look near the bottom of the interface where a Subdivide panel will appear. Click on this panel to expand it and reveal additional settings and options. Find the number of cuts setting and adjust it to the value you want. Increasing the number of cuts will create more subdivisions and add extra geometry to the cube. Once you have set the desired number of cuts, close the panel because no further changes are needed there. Next, press the Tab key again to leave Edit Mode and return to Object Mode. With the cube still selected, move to the side panel of Blender and locate the Modifiers option. Click on the Modifiers section to open it and view the available modifier controls. Then click the Add Modifier button. When the modifier menu appears, use the search field to quickly find the modifier you need. Type wireframe into the search box and click on the wireframe modifier when it appears in the results. This will add the modifier to the cube and convert its structure into a wireframe style. Finally, locate the thickness setting within the wireframe modifier options and adjust it until the wireframe looks the way you want. A larger value creates thicker wireframe edges, while a smaller value creates thinner ones. After setting the thickness, your wireframe effect is complete and ready for further adjustments if needed. You can experiment with different cut counts and thickness values to create unique wireframe appearances easily and effectively.